Hey there. So, here we are in Module 8. We are so close to the finish line. So, I am very proud of your accomplishments so far. And there are just a few more things for us to complete before our course is finished. So, first off, all the work for this course must be submitted by 5 p.m. this Friday. So, anything I receive after that will not count toward your grade. So make sure you get that work in on time. Then, this week, we have discussion 8.1, and this is where I want you to share your reflection on the composition program with your other members of the class. So here, you're asked to look over your experience in all of the composition courses. So English 121, 122, 123, and 124. So you have written pages upon pages during your study of writing in these courses. So tell me, or really tell us, how do you think you've grown as a writer? What have you improved upon? Remember, your original post should be approximately 200 words, and then your response to another student should be approximately 75 words. Then we have 3 assignments to complete. The first, and obviously the most important one, is the research paper, the final draft of the argumentative research paper. Remember, your paper should have a works cited list at the end, as well as parenthetical references throughout the essay. You must also include a memo explaining what you revised, or what I call the What I Revised memo. This memo is worth 15 points. So in this memo, I want you to describe the changes you made to your rough draft to create the final draft, and explain why did you choose to make these changes? What was your reasoning behind making those choices? That's what you want to put in this memo. Then we have assignment 8.2, which is a reflection letter. In this reflection letter, you want to look just at your growth in this course and your project of, or I should say, the process of creating your research paper. So describe what you've accomplished in this letter and also what you struggled with this semester. Tell me, how do you plan to use the skills from this course in other courses? Now, I can tell you that research and writing is valuable no matter what you study at the university. So tell me, in your course of study, how is this going to help you? Be as specific as you can here. If there was a specific assignment that you found really challenging, or if there was a particular reading that you thought was really interesting, please let me know. I want to know your feedback and your experience in the course. And then lastly, assignment 8.3. 8.3 is like the video recap of your research project. This is for you to put into your own words what you researched and what you discovered. So this presentation should not be more than 3 minutes long. You're not taking that much time, so you want to just give us the highlights of your research, a brief synopsis of your project, and the key takeaways. That's what you would include in your presentation. So you can make a video of yourself speaking, like I am here, or you could also make a PowerPoint with a audio recording, like a voiceover recording. Either one of those is fine for the presentation. So you want to submit the video to the link for assignment 8.3, and you also want to include your notes. So I want to see what kind of notes you used in your presentation. So don't just submit your paper as your notes. That's not going to be sufficient. You want to just make some notes of the main points of your research paper and then use that as a guide for when you do your video presentation. So again, your presentation should be no more than 3 minutes long. You want a synopsis of your argument and key takeaways from your research project. So your video presentation is worth 30 points, and then that memo with your notes that you used for the presentation, that's going to be worth 10 points. And then that's it. I will be busily grading this week, so remember, everything must be submitted by 5 p.m. on Friday for it to count toward the final grade. Remember, I am always available via email if you have any questions or concerns. We are almost to the finish line, and I'm so proud of how far you've come.